Hey guys, today I am going to show you how you can make a double toned circle in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. And just firstly let's just start with a circle of about medium sized and keep the stroke 0 and fill color. I think it's cyan and fill color with cyan. And now make a rectangular stripe. You can make a stripe using rectangle tool or line segment tool. I'm going for line segment tool, and increase the stroke to 35 to 30 and select the stroke of rounded corner. It will be like this, and now duplicate it. For duplicating, just click and drag holding option key and shift key also for alignment, and it will duplicate. And adjust side by for precise adjustment. Zoom a little bit more and use arrow key to adjust. And now change the color of stripe to pink or first track to cyan, and now again duplicate both these stripes. Select both and click and drag holding option and shift key. It will duplicate the both stripe, and again adjust the spacing between the stripes. Just super zoom and use arrow key so that stripes do not overlap each other, and again do the same, duplicating multiple times so that whole stripes can cover the circle. And now select all the stripes and place it on the circle. And just one more thing, just decrease the opacity of the stripes so that we can see the circle as well, so that we can adjust in more precise way. Later on we will just increase the opacity to 100%. Firstly, for adjusting, just decrease the opacity for a moment. And now just shift the circle on a stripe. It will now select all the stripes only and expand it. So just go to object and expand all the stripes. And now it's time to just adjust the stripes randomly in alternate way, just one upward and one to downward. Hold the shift key so that it can only move in vertical direction. Do this for all the stripes, some to upward and some to downward. Now select all the upper stripes and the lower stripes as well, and increase the opacity to 100%. And keep one more thing in mind, that foreground color should be selected as cyan. For that, just select any cyan stripe and it will load it foreground color as cyan. And now select all the stripes and select the zipper tool and just click and drag across the upper part of the circle. Just click and drag, do not hold any option or shift key. It will merge all the shapes across upper part of the circle into cyan with the circle. And now do the same for the lower part of the circle as well. Select any pink stripe and it will load it as the foreground color, and select all the stripes and again use the zipper tool and click and drag across the lower part of the circle. Just click and drag, do not hold any option or shift key, and it will merge all the stripes with the circle into pink. And now it's time to trim all the extra stripes outside the circle. Select all the shapes and select zipper tool. Just click and drag holding option key. It will delete all the extra shapes outside the circle. I hope you like these tutorials, and feel free to subscribe to this channel for more awesome coming tutorials in the future. And thank you for watching. See you in the next.